What is good, y'all? It's your boy Queezy, man, back again with another exclusive video, man. Today I'm gonna give y'all another POV drive type of video. This time we going up the mountains, y'all. We leaving Tennessee, headed back to Georgia. We did a light little vacay, you know what I'm saying, a little weekend getaway for the New Year's with the fam, man. So decided to get back on here, man, and get y'all this little POV drive through the mountains, because it's different. You get what I'm saying? I ain't even gonna hold you. We about to get into some bendy turns and stuff. You feel me? The vibe is different though. It's mad chill. I ain't even gonna hold you. But what I can say is this is exactly why I want to lower the truck, so I could be able to go up and go through stuff like this, you know what I'm saying, without no problems, man. For real, for real. There ain't no issues now, but I just feel like it'd be a lot better, like, if I had lowering springs on the truck, man. It'd just grip the road a lot better. Yes, sir. But Happy New Year, y'all. It's 2024, man. I hope y'all had a good 2023. 2024 finna be way better than 2023, you dig? You already know it, man. Just gotta stick to the script, stick to the plan, and get right. I got a lot of plans for the truck. We just gonna take one thing at a time, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna hook this baby up. Still trying to go springs, you feel me, on the lowering kit. Still might go louder exhaust, you know what I'm saying? Definitely going new headlights, new tail lights. You know what I'm saying? What else? Might retint the whole truck for sure, Do the front windshield tint. Probably do 35% on the front windshield tint, and then do 15% all the way around for everything else, for all the rest of the windows. Because I got 5% on the front, 2 driver and passenger side windows, but I personally just feel like it's too dark at night, especially when I'm trying to back up and do stuff like that. I could barely see. I gotta roll the whole freaking window down. You feel me? This that bendy right here. This what I was talking about. This joint go side to side, y'all. It's crazy. I don't know if y'all ever rode through the mountains before, man, but hey, it's a different experience. It's a different vibe, for sure. For sure. It's a beautiful day, though. That's for sure. It's a beautiful day. It's a nice day outside. Cold, as you can see, 37 degrees, but it's still nice. Look at this. This joint get tight right here. No cap. No cappity. No cappity. That's what I'm saying. This would be crazy with a crazy loud exhaust, some more horsepower, and a lowering kit. Couldn't tell me nothing. I'll be drifting through this mountain, man. Stop playing like it's Forza or something. You know what I mean? This one look tight right here.
That waterfall had like a little spot you could have parked at for a photo.
That's alright.
Truck photo. I'm gonna take a truck photo.
We going up the mountain, man. We going uphill now. Really can see it. It's different. Woo! Let's get it.
Can't hear it in the truck too.
Yeah, the tone.
Yeah.
Tone changing. It's definitely a beautiful sight, though. I can say that much.
It's really pretty.
It's different. It's different for sure. What else I was gonna say? Still debating on this chrome, if I'm gonna keep the chrome or delete the chrome. I don't know. I gotta see how everything look once it's lowered, once I got the new lights and stuff like that, and then I'll go from there to figure out all of that. Yeah, man. Uphill vibes. some good tires on these wheels that I had just recently got, as y'all seen. They ride good, man. Nice little 3-hour road trip from the house. You know what I'm saying? Something light. Now we going downhill, y'all. Yes, sir. Truck sound good as ever, though. I love that. Hold it up. Truck definitely sound good. Tires getting tighter. You feel me? Little Audi Q7 truck in front of us. They loaded up,
They're
man.
running back to capacity in there.
We got Louis in the front with us. That's hard. Yeah, this was what I was talking about. This bendy right here. It's like real tight. We getting through it, y'all. We for sure
They're
getting
slowing
through it.
down down there.
Make sure y'all drop some comments below, man, and let me know if y'all ever go through the mountains like this with your hooked up car, supercar, with your Ram, your Dodge, your TRX, SRT, whatever you got, whatever you drive. Would you go through the mountains? Would you take a mountain trip?
They all live in mountains.
You know what I'm saying? People do live in mountains, but I'm just saying, some people be scared of heights, some people be scared of stuff like this, so
Yeah.
just trying to see who really about that, you feel me? It's like crazy. On our way here, folks was flying up them mountains.
They
I'm just
flying
like,
up the
man,
mountain.
what? Y'all used to it. You gotta be used to this, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm definitely thinking about doing some, under the hood mods definitely this year for sure. Might go cold air intake first, you know what I'm saying? Once I finish the outside, I'ma dive in deep into the, under the hood mods, but I definitely might go cold air intake first and then go from there and see what it does. Go tune, go headers, go cams. You know what I'm saying? That's the goals, man. Those are definitely the goals. And that's if I keep the truck, you know what I'm saying? Because
Some snow.
of course I would love, yeah, that is snow on the side of the mountains. Of course I would love to trade this in and get something with a bigger motor, something a little bit, faster than this. But the Hemi does get the job done. The Hemi does have a lot of locked horsepower from the factory that you got to pretty much unlock and tune and put the right aftermarket parts on so you can get that full experience. You can get the most out of it. I wouldn't say I'm trying to maximize all of the HP, but I for sure want to take advantage of some more horsepower, man, for real. Just because I know this is a big truck, so once I lower it, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna need to put down some more power so we can get this thing moving. You hold it up. Thank you. Woo.
I'm trying to call this dog.
No, I understand. That's different for sure. Well, you never had to really do too much traveling before with a dog, so
Still getting used to
still getting used to
it.
it.
You a big baby.
You know what I'm saying? But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. And drop some comments below, man. Let me know if y'all want to see more POV drives like this, man. I really do like doing it. I feel like it's a different vibe. It offers a different aesthetic, you know what I'm saying, to the page. But also just to YouTube, man. Not too many people do POVs. You know what I'm saying? But it's definitely a vibe, man.